Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Zelle to transfer money on Truist Bank. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the app, okay? And then click here on send money. Now what I want you to do is click here on send money with Zelle, okay? Tap on this, tap on send money, and now you either select any of your recipients you already have saved, or you can go ahead and add new recipients by clicking on this icon. So we'll choose this one right here, Beverly Cook, and you'll see their number right here. You can enter the amount, right? Let's say 1820, and then you tap on done. Of course, you would have chosen what account you're sending it from, right? Let's say your primary checking account. You can change this as well if you want. And when you want it sent, you can set a later date. So we'll send it now. After that, you just tap right here on review and then just review everything and then you can send it. Okay, tap on send to complete this and it'll be sent to them. And if they haven't joined Zelle yet, they'll be invited to join through their number. They'll enroll and they'll receive your payment. And you can just give them the reference number. Really that easy. That is how you do it. Found this helpful. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.